An egg consists of a solid, a liquid, and a gas.
Calcium carbonate particles are arranged into crystals by proteins, eventually forming the calcite material that makes up the shell. Its melting point is 835 degrees Celsius. Its density is 2.05 grams per centimeter cubed.
Did you know that it's actually possible to remove just the eggshell? If you leave an egg sitting in vinegar for long enough, you could completely get rid of the shell and only leave behind the yolk and whites, still held together by a thin membrane. This happens because the vinegar of the egg reacts with the calcium carbonate of the shell. The reaction forms calcium acetate along with water and carbon dioxide, while also eating through the shell. The liquid portion, or the egg whites, make up about 2/3 of the egg by weight. It has 3.6 grams of protein, 0.24 grams of carbohydrate, and 55 milligrams of sodium. It contains no cholesterol and the energy content is about 17 calories. Its density is 1.104 grams per centimeter cubed. Why do egg whites stiffen when you beat them? This process is called denaturation. To understand this, it's important that we know the building blocks of egg whites, which are proteins made of amino acids that are tightly constricted into a ball-like shape. When you beat the egg whites, air bubbles are making contact with these protein balls and cause them to unwind. This gives the same effect as adding heat. The unwound proteins bind together and create a sort of network that can trap air inside. The result is a thicker substance used to create several food items, including souffle. If you overbeat the eggs, however, the proteins will relax too much and will cause the substance to collapse.
There is actually gas in an egg, and it is air in a little pocket between the white and shell at the larger end of the egg called the air cell. It accounts for the crater you often see at the end of a hard-boiled egg.
Why is there an air pocket in an egg? This feature is not unique to chicken eggs. A newly laid egg doesn't have one. Instead, it forms over time near the top of the egg. This is because as the egg cools, the liquid inside the eggs contract and create a space between the eggshell. This is due to the direct relationship between temperature and volume. The air pocket tends to grow as the egg matures. The air pocket is the reason why a hard-boiled egg has one flat end. We hope you've enjoyed our eggcelent chemistry video. Thanks for watching.